So welcome students. So in this question, you are asked to find the number of integers which are less than 175, number of positive integers which are less than 175, which are relatively prime to both 5 and 7, which are relatively prime to both 5 and 7. So the definition of relative primeness is also given. So if a number is relatively prime to 5, that means the number is not divisible by 5. There should not be any common factor. 5 is a prime number. So if a number is relatively prime to 5, that means the number is not divisible by 5. Similarly, if a number is relatively prime with 7, that means the number is not divisible by 7. So if I want an integer which is relatively prime to both 5 and 7, that means the number should not be divisible by either 5 or 7. It should not be divisible by either 5 or 7. So first what I do is, I will try to find the number of integers which are divisible by either 5 or 7. I will subtract those numbers from 175. That will give you the numbers which are relatively prime to 5 and 7. So how many multiples of 5 are there? How many multiples of 5 are there till 175? So 175 is nothing but 5 times 35, 5 times 35. So you have 35 multiples of 5. You have 35 multiples of 5, that is 5 into 1, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 20, 35, so on. So if I write the multiples of 5, we get 35 multiples of 5. Similarly, if I write the multiples of 7, so if I write 175, 175 is nothing but 7 into 20, 7 to the 14 and 35. So 175 is nothing but 7 times 25. That means 7 into 1, 7 into 2, 7 into 3, 7 into 4, so on up to 7 into 25. You have 25 numbers which are multiples of 7. So if I add these two, so these are the numbers which are multiples of 5. These are the numbers which are, these many numbers are there which are multiples of 7. If I directly add them, you get some repetition, because there are some numbers which come in this set as well as this set. So you have to subtract those. So what are the numbers which are divisible by 5 and also 7? Those are nothing but the numbers divisible by 35, LCM of 7 and 5. So numbers divisible by 35. So 175 can be written as 35 times 5. So there are 5 numbers, 35 into 1, 35 into 2, 70, which is present in both of this. 35 into 3, 105, which is present in both of this. 35 into 4, 140, which is present in both of this. So I have to subtract these numbers. I have to add these two and subtract this. So 35 plus 25 is 60 minus 5, that is 55. So you have 55 numbers. You have 55 numbers which are divisible by either 5 or 7. So the numbers which are neither divisible by 5 nor divisible by 7 are nothing but 175 minus 55, that is 120. So there are 120 numbers. There are 120 numbers which are divisible by. There are 120 numbers which are co-prime to both 5 and 7, which are less than 175. Thank you.